already see something. Okay, okay. Hey friends, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a fun and exciting video because my Amazon packages have all arrived. I don't know if you guys can get a glimpse. Let me show y'all. You guys, I'm so excited. I thought this would be a cool video to do an unboxing with you guys. I ordered a bunch of stuff, and some of them are for like our home, some are for my toddler, but then there are things in here for myself, preparing for baby that I will need to take to the hospital. And there might be a couple baby things in here. I am not sure because I have ordered a number of things. There are things that I'm currently still waiting on, but I figured why have this like packed up at the front of my door. I thought this would be a cool video. Before we get into the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you guys are new, to follow my journey, as well as smash that like button, y'all, and leave a comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are on the items that I purchased, or if you've ever used any of these things, you know, whatever it is, I'd love to hear about it. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so I had to push some of the packages out of the way because y'all know that I'm working with this big old bump, okay? I just went to my ultrasound today and I got good news. I learned that the baby is now head down. If you guys watched my last pregnancy update, you would have heard me say that he had changed directions and was like sideways in my belly. Well, he's in the right direction now, but not that matters because I'm having a C-section. I want to say that I also want to let you guys know there's a special package unboxing that will be in today's video. What am I doing? Yeah, okay. And I think you guys definitely want to see this one. I'm so excited about it. Ooh! You see something? Okay, okay. So the first thing I ordered that I'm loving already is this cute little cocoon. Does it come with the stickers? I don't remember if it came with the stickers. Oh yes, it does. It comes with a name included, a name card to write beside the baby. But I love it because it comes with this cute little hat and a cocoon. And I figured that would be like his little hospital outfit that I could take pictures of to present him to the world and showcase his name. Oh, it's so cute. The baby's really cute too. So that's the first thing. It's called Cutie Cocoon. And I bought it in size 0 to 3 months. So the next thing, it's kind of underwhelming actually. These are supposed to be drawer inserts that look like that. And this is what I'm going to be using to organize some of baby boy's stuff, like pants. You fold the little pants and stick them all in here. Or, you know, little onesies and stuff. This one came zipped, has zippers. I wasn't too partial to using these before because the dresser that I had, the sizing of the dresser made it difficult to have stuff like this. So we did buy a new dresser. If you guys didn't see it, you're missing out because, oh, I mean, I showed it to you guys. Is that there are ones on Amazon that looks the same, but from what I read, it has no zipper part at the bottom. So depending on what you're putting in, like if it's just clothes, it'll be fine. But if it's anything like, I don't know, small items, they can fall out and kind of leak into different compartments in a sense. Not leak, but you know, like trickle. Oh my gosh. Anyways, the next item that I bought are these. These are the Always underwear. Now, this is size small medium. I thought I ordered a medium large. Oh my gosh. Okay, they seem to be able to stretch really well. Okay, I had to open it up and see. They smell really nice too. Okay, I've never used these before, but y'all know I'm having a C-section, so I figured this would be helpful to me for the short time while I'm in there. You only get 12 in the pack. That's the only bummer part, and they're quite expensive. So yeah, I'm gonna see if I can find them here, but I'm gonna first see if I actually like them before I repurchase. So I'm trying not to make this video extra long, guys, so I am trying to hurry. Okay, so the next thing that I ordered is for baby, and this is called my letterboard set. And once again, it's just like a little letterboard to be able to write certain things about the baby. I have a letterboard, however, mine isn't like cute. Mine isn't cute like this, and mine also has like, it's more like a Christmassy. It's more of a Christmassy theme because it has like bulbs around it. So I wanted something that was just like pretty plain. something very simple and neutral and cute for baby. I ordered some first words for my little girl because she's at the stage where she's learning to read, and these are like, yeah, it's kind of like, yeah, it says it's for reinforcing reading, and I think it'll just be really, it'll go hand in hand with what we're trying to teach her so far. I do prefer to just get one package to have everything rather than wasting so much package, but I'm trying to get a nursery prepared and trying to do all of these other things, and so I figured I just want my things as soon as possible so I can get on with it. Okay, so the next thing I got is this unicorn bedding. Okay, and it looks really cute. So it's like this. It looks like it's suctioned, because I wouldn't picture it being this small, but it's for a toddler. It's for a single bed. I'm gonna be using it for a toddler. That's what it looks like. The room is, if you guys already know that the nursery is going to be shared with her and her baby brother. So we painted the room neutral, but we still want her to have her section, which is her bed, which is going to be girly, and all that jazz. This next item that I bought is it's really like a caddy. It's a 3-tier caddy. It looks just like that, and it's, I think, clear. It's like acrylic. It is going to be, it says it's a cosmetic storage, and that's what I'm going to basically kind of use it for. To not just store makeup though, but to store like things that are on my vanity inside the washroom, because our vanity is so small. Hubby and I don't have a double sink or in our bathroom, so I find that things just get, things just get cluttered really quickly. So I got this as a storage in hopes that it can help resolve that problem. So we'll see how it goes. This is just another one of the packages that I showed you before, because I ordered 2 so I can have 2 for baby boy and 2 for baby girl. And 2 of the last things that I ordered is this preschool math book for baby girl, because she does know how to count, and I thought this book would be really, really helpful in that, because it's simple. It shows you, she can actually count the stars and add the next one to it. I've started her with some preschool books already, but the ones that I have, I'm not liking that much because it doesn't offer something like this, and these books were like $3 something Canadian online, so that was good. And then this is a book that I've been seeing for a long time. I've seen this in Indigo here in Canada, and I've been wanting to try it, and this one's called Teach Your Child to Read in 100 Easy Lessons. This book it's hilarious, because I read so many of the reviews that the parents had left, and it just cracked me up. Parents, like, there are some parents that legit like scratched it up. They're like, it's not easy. And they even wrote like boring lessons. They said that the lessons can be boring, especially for us adults, because they're repetitive, but overall for the children it seems to be really good, and it's really conducive to doing what you want it to do. From what I've gathered, all the parents who attempted to use this book to teach their child to read, their children are reading by the end of this book. So I'm pretty happy with that. It was about $27. I do have a special item that I want to unbox in here, and this is my degree. My degree came today. Bachelor's of Arts in Psychology. Look, guys. Oh, I'm so happy. This is really a testimony to hard work and dedication and commitment. If you guys didn't see the video that I put out about sharing my experience with going back to school and all that jazz, definitely go ahead and check it out. But I'm gonna wrap up this video because I know it is getting hecka long. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for your love and your support. And yeah, until next time, guys, much love.